his commitment to strengthen the democracy. Now, viewers, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived at the residence of former PM Manmohan Singh's. In fact, let's also now listen in to some of the political reactions that are coming at this point of time.
वो भारत माँ के ऐसे सपूत थे जिसे सदियों तक जिसकी ऋणी रहेगी, भारत को एक आर्थिक शक्ति बनाने में वही तो जन्मदाता थे।
सर, कोई ऐसा क्षण हो आपका जो उनके साथ यादगार रहा हो?
राज्यसभा में जब मैं गया तो उनके साथ बहुत संस्मरण है। जब मैं उत्तर प्रदेश के कांग्रेस विधानमंडल दल का नेता था, तब भी उनके साथ उत्तर प्रदेश के दौरे पे रहा हूँ। मेरे साथ वो हमेशा, जब नेता विपक्ष बने तो उनका फ़ोन नहीं भूलूंगा। रात में राज्यसभा में बने थे, उनका फ़ोन आया कि प्रमोद जी आपकी मदद और ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। मैंने कहा साहब मैं तो हमेशा आपके लिए हाजिर हूँ। लेकिन कितना उदार मन के, कितना बड़ा अर्थशास्त्र का ज्ञाता और इतनी विनम्रता। मैं राज्यसभा से एक बार वो जा रहे थे, मैं अक्सर उनके साथ निकल जाता था। रास्ते में बात करते हुए बहुत कम बोलते थे, पर जो बोल जाते थे वही जीवन की सीख हो जाती थी। मैं अभी उनको लॉबी तक छोड़ के आए थे कि तब तक मुझे बुला लिया बोलने के लिए। मैंने देखा 2 मिनट बाद वो आ गए। जब मेरा करीब 15 मिनट का भाषण खत्म हुआ तो मैंने कहा सब कह लें कि आप आक्रामक शैली में विनम्रता के साथ कैसे बोला जाता है, जोश में आप होश नहीं खोते शब्दों के चयन में, मैं वही सुनने आया था।
All right, viewers, my colleague Mehndi joins me live on the broadcast. Mehndi, I believe you are outside the residence of late former Prime Minister Dr. Singh. And at this time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had just arrived. He also paid the last respects and offered tributes to his family as well. Take us through the details that, in fact, you're gathering from, in fact, the residence of late Prime Minister Dr. Singh.
Well, indeed, Simran, right now I am in front of Manmohan Singh's residence, and here all the BJP senior leaders are coming to pay their last tributes and condolences to the family of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached here, gave his tribute, and now has left from the residence. And not only Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but also Home Minister Amit Shah and JP Nadda came to give their last tributes, and it is expected that very soon Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also expected to reach here to give her last tributes to the late former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. And apart from that, it is expected that after the cabinet meeting of the Bharatiya Janata Party that has been called after the demise of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, there is expectations that other BJP leaders are also expected to reach the residence and pay their last tributes to the former Prime Minister. And apart from that, it has also been said by the Congress officials that the public can also reach the residence after some point in the day to pay their tributes. And after that, the latest that we are getting regarding all who all will be coming at the residence of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Then after that, as in tomorrow, there is a possibility that around 2 p.m. tomorrow, the mortal of late former Prime Minister will be taken to the AICC headquarters, and there also general public can go there to give their last tributes. And talking about the family of Dr. Manmohan Singh, then his daughter is expected to reach Delhi later tonight or tomorrow morning to, pay her tributes. And after that, only the last rites ceremony will be happening of the late former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Yes, Imran.
Well, Mehndi, in fact, as you are putting out these details, also share who are all the Congress senior leaders and the top brass that are arriving outside the residence to meet the family. There have been many leaders that have been reaching Delhi from even from Karnataka to meet the family of Dr. Singh?
Well, indeed, Simran, around 10:30 to in between 10:30 to 11, rather, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is expected to reach the residence. And apart from her, all the senior Congress leaders were in Belagavi yesterday because of their CWC meetings, and they all have left from there, and they are also expected to reach before afternoon to pay their tributes to the late former Prime Minister. And apart from that, also, the plannings of the Congress party that were for today, that were set for today, has also been cancelled. That was supposed to happen in Belgaum because of the CWC meeting of the Congress party also, and they have cancelled it. And all the senior leaders, whether they are the MLAs, the MPs, or the senior Congress leaders, all have left for Delhi, and they'll be reaching the residence to pay their last tributes around 12 or 1 in noon. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehdi, thank you for, in fact, giving us the latest round of input. Now, meanwhile, several political leaders have paid tribute to former PM Manmohan Singh. Let's now listen in.
It's the biggest loss, not big loss. Like he mentioned, history will be kinder to him. Today, each and every one are hurt, upset, because let's not forget what he was. Let's not forget 1991. Let's not forget what he did as a Prime Minister. When he wanted to do something, he did it. Let's not forget the Indo-US nuclear deal in 2008, where a government was going to fall, and he said, I will get this deal through. Let's not forget in 2008, when everybody, all the world, there was the economic crisis, all over the world, India stood its ground. Everybody will remember, and what a man. I've had the privilege to be with him for an hour, to talking to him.
श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं। परिवार के और सभी संबंधियों को उनके जाने की इस क्षति का यानी सहन करने की शक्ति प्रभु प्रदान करे। मैं उनको प्रभु से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि अपने चरणों में उनको स्थान दें।
प्रधानमंत्री पद पर 10 साल जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया था, वो डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी, इनका आज एम्स अस्पताल में निधन हो गया है। उससे हमें सभी लोगों को बहुत बड़ा दुख भी हुआ है। जरूर राजनीति में अलग अलग पार्टियों के साथ अलायंस होता है, लेकिन भारत में रहने वाले हम सब लोग ऐसे दुख में शामिल होने की हमारी परंपरा है। और डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी के साथ मेरे बहुत नजदीकी संबंध थे। जब मैं लोकसभा में रिपब्लिकन पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से चुनकर आया था 2004 में, 2009 में, तो 2004 में माननीय डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने थे और मैं तब यूपीए के साथ था।
मनमोहन सिंह जी